why can we be attracted to green grass, to vegetation? We're here in the Sierra Nevada mountains at about 7,000 feet in California. We hiked this place last year, and I thought about it throughout the year. I want to do it again. I mean, it was quite the trek to get here, but it's this beautiful meadow behind us. You know, God says in Psalm 23 that He's like a shepherd. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He restores my soul. There is something about greenery that attracts us. Now, I've heard, and I don't know if this is true, that this doesn't happen in all cultures. So, you know, I mean, if you're out there and another culture say, what, green? Well, you know, whatever, desert. Well, desert could be attractive too. But this idea of greenery, perhaps it's like we are essential at our core, we need water. And water produces greenery. I don't know what it is. But if you know what it is, let me know. But what God wants to do is to bring us to these places in our life where there's peace, where we can get our souls restored. And we can look to the external environment, the beautiful metals to get restored. And that's a good thing to see what God is doing. But God most of all wants to restore us, as this 23rd Psalm says, restore our soul through His grace, through His mercy. He gave that to us in His Son. And that brings out even more beauty of the world to see. Not that the negative is going away. It's not, but the beauty of what God has done in ourselves and in others can come out. Hey, I want to know what you think about greenery. And I also want to say, if this For the Curious has been helpful for you, please just press subscribe, follow, and we'll send you 2 of these every week. If it would help some of your friends on your friends list, please share it about greenery and what God has to say. But in any case, as we say, Salam alapiaretic la paz de Dios en tu viaje. Hey, God's peace be with you on your journey.